Hi everyone, it's Alex Unusual, you already know, the star in All the Stars, and I'm back for All Stars, baby. So Alex, you've been here before. What brings you back? There's been a lot of reinvention, a lot of learning and unlearning. So Alex of 2018 was 21 and really young, and Alex of 2023 is grown. So what would you do differently this time? Nothing really, because I would just be myself, and I know what I did the last time was be myself, so I'm basically going to go in there and just do Alex. Who are you hoping to see in the All-Stars house? Why them? I think Mercy, Vanita, Hermes, Neo, Prince, a lot of people actually, I just don't know. But yeah. Which previous housemate do you don't want to see in the All-Stars? None of them. I am cool with everyone, so I don't think there's anyone that I don't want to see in All-Stars. In 10 seconds, tell us where your life is right now. I'm currently doing a lot, actually. And going into the house, I've just been thinking, I have a proper team out here that would handle my stuff, but then I don't know if it's the same when I'm not here because I like to control stuff. I've been into acting, right? I did that. I had like one of the blockbuster movies. I've been into directing, and I currently run a program and a company that's, first of all, right now focused on anti-bullying and still have like a lot of other things to focus on as we progress. So I work with schools, medical practitioners, legal practitioners, and parents, for the kids. I write scripts, and I have like a clothing line, a fashion line coming up. I didn't have the time to launch it because, this came, so I had to pause and just come for the show because, there's no show without me. So I've been working on a lot. It's not something I could just, lock up in a sentence. Complete the sentence. This season, I am definitely not. So now I really want to say that this season, I'm definitely not fighting. But I'm not sure how possible. What's your message to your fellow housemates? Let's have fun and let's be peaceful. There's no need to be unnecessarily dramatic. Alex, how do you want to be remembered this season? But I want to be remembered as a peace-loving, grown Alex. I want to be able to show people that there is positivity and there is possibility of growth, no matter where you're coming from. How far do you think you'll make it this season, and why? I'll win, because I'm a winner material. What's your message to yourself for this season? You're that girl, Alex. You're just that girl.
Big brother Naija.